And at the Lincoln and Holland, we're looking at 10 to 15. Now in New Jersey, we've got that brush fire that's out, exit 287. Last heat crash also cleared. And traffic sponsored by marinefishing.gov.nj.gov. New Jersey offers ocean fishing boat adventures for all experience levels and age groups. The boats, they have everything you need to experience a classic battle between family and fish. You'll even bring home dinner. Catch a fresh adventure this summer. Learn how. marinefishing.nj.gov. Next report, 701, 1010 winds and 92.3 FM.
Well, ahead of the holiday weekend, why some Dairy Queen customers are not happy. We'll have that ice cream crisis in a minute. First, the important forecast. What you got?
They're happy with me, maybe not with everything else, I would think, here as we look at this forecast. Temperatures getting up today to a high of 74 in the city, mid-upper 70s inland, probably low to mid-60s on the island and the beach areas here today. Tonight's lows will drop back down, maybe not quite as chilly as they were this morning. 56 in the city, upper 40s in some of the distant suburbs. Mid-upper 70s city and inland tomorrow and Sunday. We may start to mix some clouds in Sunday as this system approaches, and we are keeping an eye on that system that's going to really make a miserable start to the holiday weekend in North Carolina, then up into the mid-Atlantic, deep South Jersey. We'll keep an eye on how far that extends. So Sunday may be a little cloudier times, and then it looks like high pressure builds back in on Monday, giving us the warmest day, 80 in the city to 84, 85 inland, staying in the low 70s, Long Island to the beaches. We'll continue to monitor that system as you go through the weekend, so keep it locked to 10-10 winds. Right now we're looking at a bright, well, it's getting bright as the sun's coming up with blue skies. 53 going up to a high today of 74. I'm AccuWeather meteorologist Steve DeVore, New York's weather station, 1010 winds on 92.3 FM.
Some Dairy Queen customers are having a cow.
In the land of Dairy Queen,
Well, some customers would disagree after the company confirmed the rumors that they're discontinuing their cherry-dipped cone. They say they're always rotating flavors, so it might come back at some point. For now, you can still get vanilla, chocolate, and churro. The mystery of the pasta dump in Old Bridge has been solved. This was that 500 pounds of uncooked noodles that somebody dumped in the woods at Veteran Park. Well, community advocates say the man who did it has a history of mental illness. Police say no charges will be filed. A mixed bag last night for the Yanks and Mets.
Yes, Susan, the good news there, a 10-1 Mets win as they salvage their series finale at Wrigley Field. Well, Pete Alonso had a 2-run homer, his 19th of the season, while Brandon Nimmo, Brett Beatty, and Starling Marte also had 2 RBIs, but manager Buck Showalter said the key for him was Carlos Carrasco, who gave up just the 1 run on 5 hits and 2 walks while pitching deep into the 7th inning.
Yeah, that's the most, I think we would have really felt good about today if we knew that was going to happen going into it.
As Cookie picked up his first win of the season, meantime at the stadium, the Yanks lost 3-1 to the Orioles, who took the rubber game of the series with a run in the 5th and 2 in the 8th, before Willie Calhoun's 2-out RBI double in the bottom of the 9th. Mark Renee, 1010 Win Sports on 92.3 FM.
Hi, this is Karen Stewart. Sloman's Home Security is giving away a free doorbell camera, free home security system, and professional installation when you use their low-cost central station monitoring. Call 833-933-SAFE, and Sloman's will give you a free doorbell camera that connects directly to your smartphone with installation of your Sloman's Shield. System includes LED touchscreen, motion detector, 3 contacts, backup battery, and a professionally installed video doorbell camera. Call now, 833-933-SAFE. That's 833-933-SAFE.
Hey, Yankees fans, gather a group of 10 or more and take advantage of our 2023 Yankees group ticket specials. Whether you're getting together with family and friends, organizing a fundraiser, or entertaining clients, your group will love bonding over the Bronx Bombers. Start planning your 2023 group outing today. Log on to Yankees.com, call 212-YANKEES, or email groups@Yankees.com. That's 2023 group tickets. Call 212-YANKEES or visit Yankees.com today.
Now Bloomberg Money Watch on 1010 Wins with Steve Potusk.
Now, Susan, the intense EV competition is easing slightly, at least when it comes to charging stations. Starting next year, drivers of Ford F-150 Lightning pickups, Mustang Mach-E, and e-Transit vehicles will be able to power up on 12,000 Tesla superchargers across North America using an adapter. But it's just a start, as beginning in 2025, Ford's next-generation vehicles will have the Tesla charging capability built in. Now, Barbie has scored a win in court. Mattel will get $1 million from a China-based toy wholesale company, which Mattel accused of running websites that appeared to be owned by Mattel using brand names without its consent, including one called DreamBarbieDoll.com. A federal judge ruled that Mattel plausibly claimed copyright infringement of Barbie products. On Wall Street ahead of the holiday weekend, S&P futures gaining 6 points now. NASDAQ ahead 41, Dow up 42. Bloomberg Money Watch at 26 and 56 past every hour. I'm Steve Potus for 1010 Wins at 92.3 FM.
I have diabetes. I'm at risk for pneumococcal pneumonia.
I have asthma. I'm at risk too.
If you're 19 or older with chronic conditions like asthma, diabetes, COPD, or heart disease, or are 65 or older, you are at increased risk for pneumococcal pneumonia. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about Prevnar 20.